Lion Ready Performance. Lion Ready Performance is designed to support stamina and boost libido with a powerful blend of natural ingredients including zinc, Tongkat Ali, Maca, and L-Arginine. This formula aims to enhance testosterone levels, improve mood, reduce stress, increase muscle mass, and boost overall performance. Key ingredients and benefits: maca root powder boosts libido and enhances sexual desire in both men and women, supports male fertility by increasing sperm count. Tongkat Ali naturally increases free testosterone levels, reduces stress, enhances mood, supports sexual health and performance. Saw palmetto promotes prostate and heart health, may help reduce hair loss and symptoms of an enlarged prostate. L-Arginine improves blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels, enhances exercise performance and muscle recovery, supports fat metabolism and helps regulate blood pressure. Panax Ginseng enhances energy, endurance, and sexual health, supports brain function and reduces inflammation, helps balance blood pressure levels. Sarsaparilla root, rich in antioxidants to support immunity and skin health, aids in detoxification and inflammation reduction. Pumpkin seed extract supports prostate and urinary tract health, boosts immune function. Muira Puama extract enhances sexual vitality and increases blood flow, reduces stress and fatigue. Oat straw supports heart health and antioxidant function. Nettle helps regulate blood sugar and improve urinary health. Cayenne pepper relieves muscle soreness and cramps, boosts metabolism and circulation. Astragalus root strengthens immune function, supports digestive health and blood sugar balance. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Tribulus terrestris enhances sexual health, testosterone levels, and athletic performance, supports cardiovascular and joint health. Boron improves bone strength, muscle function, and hormonal balance. How to use it: take 3 capsules before bedtime for optimal results. Get yours today at Jamaica Health Box.